Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in the title, as you can see, I'll be showing you guys my morning skincare routine that I do every morning. Now every morning it's not the same, so I do switch up a lot, and that's the reason why I'm doing this video, because I always get so many questions about what I use on my skin every day. And it's so hard because I don't use just one thing or one brand. Like, I'm always switching stuff up. So that's why I decided to come to you guys and kind of show you what I do on a day-to-day basis. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to meet you. You can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell to get notifications on when I post videos. I post videos every week, uploaded on Sundays, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. Hey guys, so first I'm gonna start off by rinsing my face just to get it wet. Next, I'm going to go in with my Kiehl's Calendula deep cleansing wash, and I love this wash. It's really great on the face as far as foaming up and really getting into my pores and cleansing my pores. So I wash my face and then I go and rinse that off. Then I like to go in with a facial scrub. I like to exfoliate. I don't exfoliate every day because that can cause irritation and dryness in the skin. I like to exfoliate maybe 1 to 2 times a week, maybe 2 to 3 if I feel like I need it, but it's usually between 1 to 2 times a week. So now that I'm rinsing it off, I really like to make sure I get all of that grittiness and that scrub off, because sometimes it can linger and get into your other products. So I really make sure I get that off. So I'm going in with the warm towel and I'm just making sure I get all of that grittiness and that scrub off of my face before I go to the next step. Next, I'm going in with my toner, and this is Dr. Wellness Super Clean Pores. It's a deep cleaning toner. I found this toner at TJ Maxx, so I don't know if they sell this anywhere else. I'm so sorry. I guess you guys could probably Google it or something. But it is from TJ Maxx. That's where I got mine from. And I just like to put it on a cotton round and I just like to dab it on my face, pushing the product into my pores. Next, I'm going to go in with my Meaghan Brianna facial spray. I love this facial spray, so I just like to get it and spritz it all over my face. Next, I'm going in with my Andalou Naturals Renewal Cream, and this is the brightening line. I like this because I really like to help brighten and tighten my skin. So this keeps my skin brightened and it helps with any hyperpigmentation or discoloration in my skin. And so I just evenly apply that. Next, I'll be going in with my Andalou Naturals Luminous Eye Cream. This is the same brand, and I always use the eye cream. This helps with keeping your skin under your eye tight and helps prevent wrinkles and fine lines and things like that under your eyes. Like, I'm crazy about an under eye cream. Like, it's always in my routine. Last but not least, I'm going in with my Meaghan Brianna oil-free sunscreen moisturizer. All my sunscreens or moisturizers have a SPF, a sunscreen. Like, I learned that in school. That's probably the best thing for your skin, is making sure you have an SPF so that you're protecting your skin from the sun and free radicals and things like that. And you're also moisturizing your skin as well. Alrighty guys, so I am all done. This is what I do every morning. So check out that skin. I'm a little red because I have reactive skin, but my skin's all nice, fresh, and clean. See you guys later.